In recent years, ransomware has become the top cybersecurity threat for businesses of all sizes. Important files are encrypted. Hackers threaten to disclose companies' sensitive information. When held hostage by ransomware, enterprises are usually in a passive position and eventually end up compromising with hackers paying the ransom. Facing ransomware attacks, TeamT5 can help. We are a group of experienced cyber threat hunters. We offer unique threat intelligence and possess powerful threat hunting capabilities. Threat Sonar EDR provides the best solutions. Pinpoint threats and fight back. Track latest tactics of adversaries and predict their next move. Unique ransomware containment technology. Ransomware prevention deals with human beings who can continuously adapt to changes. Only proactive containment combats ransomware effectively. Strictly monitor newly encountered programs. Detect and stop malicious activities immediately. Isolate and block laterally moving threats from the outset. Strike first, lure and hunt attackers. Restore encrypted files from the backup. Track latest tactics of adversaries and predict their next move. Our unique ransomware containment technology is proven to successfully block many types of ransomware. TeamT5 Threat Sonar EDR, your best defense against ransomware attacks.